Hello everyone. Thank you all for joining this wonderful AI training meeting. So I hope you have enjoyed our last two trainings and hope the information, whatever we have given from the V Empower AG is really useful. Yeah. So from my point of view, I also learn a lot of things when I start explaining the stuffs to you. Today agenda we are going to get into the very fundamental concepts of AI. Okay, I'm sure that in the future the AI going to dominate the world. Okay, when everybody talks about AI and when you start working on the AI, there is no doubt, you need to, integrate AI in your work life, all this. When somebody talks what is machine learning, what is data science, all this, then you will wonder what is that. Okay, so these are the fundamentals. Today we are going to cover the fundamentals, and I request all of you to focus on these fundamental concepts, even though those concepts are theoretically, theoretically a little bit tough, but we will make you to learn in a simple way. Okay, before we get into the actual training, I would like to take you to the social media website where we have YouTube channel and website, TikTok, all this. Okay. Basically, we have a website called V Empower HG. Okay, still we are developing to make it perfect. First of all, this V Empower HG, we are posting the updates. Okay, whenever we have meeting, we post the updates. For example, I want to know about today's meeting, right? If I click on recent post, yeah, I can see this meeting. Okay, 28th September, there is a meeting. So I want you to explore this website, and if you go through the courses and what is our vision, how are we helping for the free courses to the brothers and sisters in Singapore, even other countries too. Okay, yeah. So what are the technologies we are covering and related to the job, how much help we are providing to prepare for the interview, all this. Okay. I request you to go through this. And I also request you to join our community as a student, volunteer, or leader. If you go to the home screen, okay, if you go to the home screen and come to the bottom of the page, there is an option called Join Our Community. Just click on Sign Up. I request all of you to submit the form here so that, right, it will be more helpful to serve you better. Yeah. So whichever the role you would like to enroll, you please sign up here. Okay. Yeah. So can you give thumbs up if my information, whatever I gave, is understanding to you? Can you type yes in the chat? Okay, then I'll move to the social media. Especially, we are focusing on our YouTube channel where our past training recordings are available here. If you go to this BM Power SG, the first training, right, spoken by the leaders, you will see here. Okay, so today training also we are recording. It will be available soon. Okay, so that brother and sister can go through the recording whenever they get time and they learn effectively. Okay, okay. Like this, our Facebook page is available. Hope you are following our Facebook pages and the TikTok also. So if you type VM Power AG in the Facebook or LinkedIn, you will be able to see our information. Okay, okay. Then I'll move to the training area. Rajita, are you ready to start the training?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. I'll hand over to Rajita to start the core concept of AI. Let's welcome Rajita to start this call.
Hello. Hi. Hello, everyone. Am I visible to you all? Is
Yeah.
my video clear?
Yes.
How about my audio?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay. All right. Hi, everyone. I'm Rajita. So basically, I'm a school teacher. Okay. So I also have a great passion towards AI. I'm also an AI learner these days, and I'm able to dive deep into AI nowadays. And I was able to build few websites. I was able to build an app yesterday. Okay. So I'm learning more things, and I think that would also be helpful for you. So based on the training, so today we are going to learn the basics or the foundations about AI, machine learning. Then we have the NLP, which is also called as a natural language processing. And then we have the neural network and the data science. Okay, so don't worry about the words. Okay, by hearing the words, we'll learn it in a very easy way. So whenever you hear this term, you'll be knowing that this is the thing. Okay. So first of all, we are hearing the word AI everywhere. Wherever you see, this is an AI era, right? So you'll be hearing the word AI. So first, what is the thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word AI? Can you please type in the chat? I want to see your response. What is the thing that comes to your mind whenever you hear the word AI?
Yeah. Can everyone type a response in the chat?
Yes. What is AI? It can be in a word. You can tell me in a single word what comes to your mind when you hear the word AI. Chat GPT. Very good, Vignesh. Then only
Yep.
one response. Any other thing? Yeah, Chat GPT again. Okay, so ChatGPT is the only thing that comes to your mind, right? So whenever you think that ChatGPT is the AI, yes? Okay, so that is true. But let me first clear what is AI. Okay, AI, which is also called as the artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial. What do you mean by the word artificial? It means that it is not natural and it is something man-made. Okay, it is artificial. So an intelligence that which is given to a machine. Okay, it is given to a machine or something, and the human intelligence is being transferred to something, and an artificial intelligence is being created. Okay, so that we call it as artificial intelligence. So first, what is AI? AI is a machine that can think and act intelligently, but how is that possible? It is possible only with the human intelligence. So someone has to train an AI so that it can perform well, it can act very intelligently. Okay, so the first thing I told you, what is AI, right? So the second thing, how it works. How does an AI work? Do you think just how do you think that a human can train up an AI? It is by giving some data sets. Okay, data sets in the sense, okay, let's take an example. There is a child. Okay, the child is maybe 1 year, lesser than a year. Okay, do you think the child knows everything? No, right? The child doesn't know anything. So either the mother or the father or the teacher or the neighbor, someone has to teach the child what it is. Correct? For example, a mother takes an apple and shows to the child. Okay, and the child looks at it for the first time. So what does the child think? Oh, the color is red. Okay, it is round in shape. But do you think the child knows what it is? No, right? Unless the mother says what it is, the child doesn't know. So the mother will explain to the child that this is an apple, it is a fruit which is good for your head, it is round in shape, okay, it is red in color, and there are various colors like green apples also. Okay, so the mother will explain. The same way, you can see the human will train an AI by giving the data sets like this. Okay, and it is one example which I told you about an apple. So you can take any kind of example. So to train an AI, first you need a data. The data is the apple which I told you. Okay, by showing that, by giving more classifications, by explaining more about the AI, about the product, the AI will learn, okay, so the next time when the child sees the apple, what will the child say? Yeah, this is an apple. Okay. Maybe the first time it doesn't know. Second time, maybe apple, the word apple, it doesn't know because it is still learning, right? But the third time, fourth time, as it gets practiced, you can see that the AI is becoming master. Okay. So, as I told you, AI is an artificial intelligence and intelligence which is being taught by a human. Okay. So, how it works? I told you it is by the data which you give. Then, third thing, where can you see the AI? Just like how we have seen people mentioning the chat in the chat GPT. Yeah, it's true. You can see the AI in chat GPT. It's like chatbots, not only chat GPT, there are many chatbots, right? You can see in chatbots and you can see in Google translators. You know the translators, right? So, for example, you're going to a new country and you don't know the language there. So, what do? You just open the Google Translate, you just speak, and what does it do? It just converts and you can show to the person and it converts into their language, right? So, that is also an AI. Okay. So, these are the places you can see. I'm telling only few examples as we are running short of time. Okay. And why do you think is AI more important to us? Okay, the fourth question. The AI is more important to us because only then our works will get much better. Do you think you can go and train the child every time? Do you want the child to say, this is an apple, this is an apple? It takes lots of time, right? It's consuming time. So, in order to consume that time, in order to save your time and also to save your energy, you train up a model so the next time you need not train that, okay, based on this category. Okay, so I told you what is an AI, right? Okay, so we have many branches in AI. Okay, so the first thing we are going to see is about the machine learning. Okay, so you can see three things in the slides, right? One is machine learning, then you have the natural language processing, and next one is a neural science. Okay, so what is machine learning? The machine learning, you have the word itself in that it is a machine which is learning things. Okay, so as I told you, the machine learning needs the data. Okay, it needs the data to convert. So there are three kinds of learnings. Okay, maybe Maya, can you please move to the next slide? The next, sorry, not this. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, here you can see there are three kinds of learning. Okay, one is the supervised learning, the second one is the unsupervised learning, and third one is the reinforcement learning. Okay, I'm going to tell you what are these. Okay, so first one, supervised learning. When it comes to the supervised learning, you can see in the picture there are a few fruits and vegetables. You can see apple, carrot, you can see the bell peppers, all right. So I give all these data to the machine, okay, and I categorize, like I separate the apples and I give a label to it saying this is apple. Okay, and then we have the carrot. I categorize all the carrots together and I give the label as carrot. Okay, and then I categorize all the bell peppers together and I give the title as label as bell pepper. Okay, so this is supervised learning, like where I give the data and also I tell the name, okay, of the product. So the AI, or the machine, it learns by seeing the picture and also the name which you have given. This is supervised. Okay. And when it comes to the unsupervised learning, you can see unsupervised. It means there is no supervision that is happening. It means again I'm giving all this data, okay, the carrot, apple, and all the bell peppers together, and I'm not giving any name to the machine, okay. But what do you think the machine does? This machine learning, using its algorithms, what it does, it tries to segregate the things based on the characteristics. For example, we can see the carrot, it is all orange in color, it has a same shape. Do you think apple and carrot have the same size? No, right? So it is segregating based on its characteristics. Okay. So this is unsupervised learning where no names will be given to the products or the data. Okay. And next is the reinforcement learning. Okay, reinforcement learning, you don't have any supervision here. Okay, for example, you can take a dog. Okay, if suppose I have a dog at my house, and I want to train the dog. Okay, so first thing I want to teach the dog sit. Okay, the word sit. So when I teach the word sit, if the dog sits, I will give a cookie. Okay, I give a cookie as a reward because it is obeying my words. Okay, if suppose I say sit and the dog doesn't sit and it jumps over someone, so what do? I'll give a mild scold. Okay, I'll scold the dog and I will not give the cookie. So here you can see I'm giving a punishment. Okay, because it is doing something wrong. So the reinforcement learning is something like that. It just learns itself on the trial and error basis. Okay, if it does good, okay, fine. It knows that it will get a reward. If it does something mischievous, it knows that it will get some punishments. Okay, so this is how the reinforcement learning happens. So these are the three types of learning that happens in the machine learning. Okay, hope that's clear to you. Yes? Can I get an S in the chat if I'm clear?
Can you all type yes if you have understood?
Am I clear? Is there any doubt in this?
Yeah, we want more response. The people who are in this call, please, yeah,
Okay, so no
type in the
doubt.
chat or give a thumbs up.
All right. Okay. So, okay, next we'll move to the next concept. Okay. Applications of natural language processing. This is the most important and the fun-based learning that we are going to have today. So those who have attended today, you're all lucky. Okay, it's because we are going to do some hands-on and we are going to create an AI assistant for you. Okay, so are you all ready for that? Okay, yeah, we are all going to have an AI assistant who can do your job much easier. Okay, so that hands-on we'll do at the last. Okay, first let me explain what is natural language processing. Okay, NLP. Okay, in short you call it as NLP, natural language. Okay, natural language. What is the word natural? Natural means that comes naturally and it is not artificial. Okay, so the natural language happens only with the humans. Okay, there is no other creations which can speak on its own. Okay, but humans are much blessed, like we can speak naturally, right? Yeah, so natural language processing is nothing but the machine understands the human languages. Okay, it tries to observe the human languages and it converts. Okay, so two things happen here in natural language processing. That is, like as I told you for the Google Translator, right? In Google Translator, you can see when you don't know how to convey something in a new language, what do? You just open the Google Translate, you speak, right? You speak, and that will convert into a text. Okay, either you can type and that can be converted into speech, or you can speak and that can also be converted into the text. Okay, so natural language processing is nothing but observing. The machine observes the human languages and it converts all the things which is being spoken by the people and it converts into a text. Okay, so this is natural language processing, and in this we have a great AI app which we are going to explore. Okay, so we'll follow that at last. Okay, now next one. Okay, understanding biological neural network. Okay, neural network. Neural, the word you can see in the picture, there are many neurons that's going, right? Yes, so neural network is nothing but like the human brain. Okay, for example, I want to listen to a song. Okay, I'm just doing something and all of a sudden I think I want to listen to a song. Okay, so where does this process start? It starts in my brain, right? Okay, I think my mind says I want to listen to some favorite song. Okay, so then what's the next thing I do? Automatically, you can see my hand will search for the tool which can play the song for me, right? So for that, what I do, I use my hands. I go and take my handphone or I switch on the TV and try to observe the things. Okay, I just scroll down. Okay, I search where is a favorite song. I just search. So here I can see first my hands play the role, and then my fingers play the role, and then you can see my eyes play the role, like looking at the song. Okay, I search for my song. Okay, then after I see, I just play the song. Okay, and then the final output is I can hear to the song. Okay, so the same way in the machine, right? The AI, you can see there are three layers. One is the input. Input is what I told you, like I want to listen to a song. That is the input. And the hidden layer. Hidden layer is nothing but the actions which I do, like I'm using my hands, I'm using my phone. Okay, I'm seeing all these are the hidden layers. Okay, and the final output is the song which I hear. Okay, so these are the three layers. So just like how the human brains coordinate with body parts, the same way you can see in the neural network, you can see the machine learning, the natural language processing, the data science, everything plays together in the hidden layers and give you the final output. Okay, so this is the neural network. Yeah, next one. Okay, finally, we have the data science. Okay, data science. So here in data science, you can see there are four things which is needed. Okay, I'll explain you with the example like how I told you so that it will be very easy for you to understand. Okay, for example, I want to make some chicken curry. Okay, I want to make a curry. Okay, so I'm just thinking, I want to make a chicken curry. So this is the input I'm giving. Okay, I'm asking a question. I want a chicken curry. So what is the next step I do? I collect the data. What is collection? I collect the chicken. I collect all the ingredients that is needed to make a chicken curry. Okay, that is collecting the data. Okay, and second thing is clearing the data. See, I just don't buy the chicken and I just don't cook. What's the second step I do? I wash the chicken, I clean it up. Yes, I prepare everything, right? So clearing the data is the second step. Then third step is analyzing. Just because I have the chicken, I have the salt, or I have all the ingredients, I cannot cook, right? I need a step-by-step procedure. There are a set of procedures I need to follow for a chicken curry. So that is data analysis. Like it knows data analysis, it will analyze, okay, first I need to prepare a bowl. I want to clean up everything. I need to take a saucepan or something. I need to pour oil. This is the step. This is analysis. Okay. And finally, fourth thing is the output. After I finish all the analysis, I make the curry and final output is my chicken curry. Okay. So this is data science in which you have the four things that is happening. One is the data collection, and the second one is cleaning the data, okay, like removing all the unnecessary things. And third one is the data analysis, okay, where I'll be analyzing which procedure needs to be followed. Again, fourth step, as I told you, is the output. Okay, yes, so this is the data science. Okay, next, that's it. Right? Okay, so summary of key AI. Okay, so we have learned four things, right? First one is the machine learning. As I told you, machine learning has three learnings, right? One is the supervised learning, which has the label. And second one is the unsupervised learning, which doesn't have label, but it will categorize itself. Again, then is the reinforcement learning, which will learn on the trial and error basis. Okay. And then we saw about the NLP. NLP is like converting a text into speech or converting a speech into text. That is the NLP. Okay, and then we saw the third one, neural network. Neural network is the inner layer, like input, then the hidden layer, and then it's the output. Okay, so all the branches together work hiddenly, and finally you get the output. And fourth thing we saw, the data science, which is collecting the data, cleaning the data, analyzing the data, and fourth one is bringing out the output. Okay, did that make sense? So do you have any questions on these concepts till what I taught you? Or if it's clear, please put a thumbs up.
So if you
Okay.
have any doubts, you can type it in the chat, or if you want to explain any of the things once again, let us know. So we are not only going to end the same topic today. Whenever you have doubt, you can ask us. Later also, if you want to explain, yeah, we are happy to explain. So basically, this theoretical concept why we are showing here means there are techies in the call, there are students in this call. Okay, there are workers in different field, electrical, construction. Okay, various field they are in the call. Okay, so in the future, when you start using the AI, at least you need to know the fundamental concept. Correct? Because in the computer science, these are the essential concept which will be helpful to grow in the technology. Okay, so somewhere you hear about data science. What is data science? If somebody asks, you should not start. Okay, so for example, Rajita, can you ask a question? What is data science?
Okay. Can I get an answer for what is data science? Okay. Can anyone type in the chat what is data science? You can put it in simple terms so that I can understand that my teaching was okay. You understood. What is data science? I told you the 4 steps, right? Maybe at least one step you can just mention in that. Any others? All right. Okay. So, what is artificial intelligence? Okay. I just give you two full form. Can you tell me which is the right one? Okay. Sorry, AI. AI is it vertebrate intelligence or is it artificial intelligence? Which is the right one? Yes, exactly. From the gold mine, we pick the gold raw material and categorize and prepare the gold finally and telling story how gold is formed.
So can we go to quick question and answer section? Okay, I'm showing some questions in this in this window. Can you all type the answer? Okay, so first question I will paste in the chat. Can you type A, B, C, D? Okay, so whatever the answer you want to give, just type the letter. Example. Okay. So what is the purpose of AI? The main purpose, or what exactly AI? What you meant by AI? So initial days, I told you it is a artificial human, right? So the whatever the work people are doing, it can be done by the AI. Okay, exactly the job done by a human, it can be done by the machine, because we are making the machine to learn something. Okay, and based on the learning done by the computer, we are asking to produce the output. Okay, with less interaction. Yes, yes. Can someone type in the chat? Yeah, most of the people, yeah, given the answer. Very good, very good. So B is the answer. Can some more type in the chat? Don't be shy. So this is going to be more helpful in your future. Okay. Can some more? Can we move to next question? Yeah. So which of the following is an example of supervised learning? Identifying spam emails, grouping customs by spending habits, predicting weather patterns without label, generating random text. Can you type in the chat? So for the first question, B is the answer. For the second question, can you all type the answer A or B or C or D, the chat? Okay. So I want all of you to come forward and answer the questions. Very good, very good. Wonderful. Yeah. Whosoever missed to answer, please help to answer here. Okay. With this, I will move forward to the next question. So for this question, which of the following is an example of supervised learning identifying spam emails? Okay. Then I'll move to next question. Writing, machine learning is a subset of AI that focus on writing human-like stories, teaching machines to learn from data, design computer hardware, encrypting sensitive information. Even though the terms looks a little bit tough, I want you to try. Okay, please have a try. So we are trying to study the core concepts. Okay. So in real time, you will start using the Chat GPT, Gemini, all this. Okay, but you should know how these artificial brains are working. Correct? Okay. Very good. Very good. Fantastic. Okay. So answer B is the question. Then let's move forward to the fourth question. What does the natural language processing help computers to do? So the natural language processing we have studied earlier, right? Just like a human, it will understand when you interact. What is the answer? Can you type the answer? Is it understanding and processing human language, or building the robots, or control internet traffic, or create 3D graphics? Excellent, excellent. Okay. So here is the answer. Understand and process human language. Very good. Then I will go to the fifth question. Which one of, okay, which one of is the example for AI in our daily life? So is calculator is the AI, or in your daily life, you are playing Netflix, YouTube, that gives the recommendation, how it comes? Is it from the AI? Is the electrical fan is AI? The flashlight is AI? Can you type the answer? So who is giving recommendation? Okay, in your life when you use social media, all this, yeah, exactly. B is the correct answer. Excellent, excellent. Then moving to the next question, what does the term bias usually mean? We didn't teach this one today. maybe the word is hidden. Okay, you have a try. We give you a chance. Have a try. What is the mean bias? Faster processing, systematic error due to unfair data, high accuracy, random guessing. Excellent. So basically bias means error. Okay. So when there is error in the data, for example, if the AI tells orange is apple, it is called bias. Okay. Yeah. Because the artificial brain was not designed in a proper way. That is why it is predicting wrong. Okay. The end goal of AI is prediction. Okay. Yes or no. Okay. So the continuous data, what is that exact information? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I don't want to take more time. There are some more questions also available. Um, we will see this question later if we have a time. Okay. So I hope you all understood the terms of AI and the core concepts, right? With this, we are going to move to the excellent topic called Firefly AI. Okay, so we have studied natural language processing, machine learning. Now we are going to see, okay, in the AI technology, okay, we are using ChatGPT every day, right? How about other AI? Okay, there are a lot of wonderful AI apps are there. Okay, so how it is related to the life? Okay, how it is going to helpful for our job and daily life? Okay, maybe I will move to the Firefly. Just a moment. Can we all move to the next topic, which is a practical one? I want all of you to focus on this one. It's a very interesting topic, going to be very much helpful for you. Can you type yes in the chat? Can we move to the practical? So today we have seen so much of theory, right? So the terms are really going to helpful for you for building artificial human brain. Okay. So can you all type yes? Can we move to the next topic? Okay. So I welcome Rajida again to share this practical session for the Firefly. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Can you please share the screen? Yeah?
Sorry,
Can you please share the screen?
the screen is shared
Yeah,
already.
yeah. Now it's visible. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, so today, now, as I told you, as I promised you earlier, we are going to create an AI agent, right? AI agent, just like the chat box, okay? Like the chat box you have, you ask something to the AI agent to do, and it does for you, okay? So we are going to build an AI agent today with an app, okay? So for that, the app name is Fireflies, okay? So first, let me explain you what all the Fireflies app does. Okay, Fireflies AI. You can see the name given there. Fireflies AI meetings effortless. Okay, for example, there is a meeting. Okay, which is more important to you. Maybe it can be an office meeting. Okay, or it can be some other meeting which is mandatory for you to attend. But at the same time, you have got an emergency where you cannot go to the meeting. Okay, so what will you do in this situation? One thing, you must attend the meeting. At the same time, you have some emergency also, right? So to balance both these, you have an AI agent who can help you. Okay? And that is the Fireflies. Okay. So what this Fireflies does is it just goes to the meeting in instead of you. Okay. Instead of you going directly to the meeting or attending the online meeting, what this app does is it just goes inside the meeting, collects all the notes that which is spoken by the speaker. Okay, it collects all the notes which is needed. Okay, and it gives you a complete notes. Okay, this is what this does. Okay, so I think this will be interesting as you do the hands-on. Okay, you may ask me a question. Is it just like for the online meetings? No, it's not like that. For example, you have an in-person meeting. Okay, like two people have a meeting. Okay, direct meeting, and you don't have a pen, you don't have a note, and you don't have time to sit and write all the notes whichever the other person is telling. So what you can do is simply on this, start the recording so that the AI agent will collect all the things which is being told by the other person. It takes the notes and gives you a final document. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Okay, so are you all ready to explore this? If yes, please type chat S. Please type S in the chat so
Yes.
that we'll move with the hands-on.
Have you all understood what is Firefly? Can you type in the chat? So my understanding is Firefly will help me to attend the meeting. I no need to attend the meeting. For example, this Zoom call, okay? If I don't have time to attend, then I can ask Firefly to attend behalf of me. That is called artificial intelligence. Okay?
Exactly.
So attend the meeting behalf of me. So what it will attend? It will take notes and it record the session.
Yes. Okay.
Can you all type your understanding of Firefly and so much more? Yes. Okay. So with this, I'll move to next. Okay.
Okay.
Rajita, do you want to explain the key features of
This is
Firefly?
actually spoken. This is actually spoken. What I told, the same thing. I can move to the next one.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you can see, yes, as I told, it, 1 minute, let me open my slide. Okay, so the first thing, increase focus on conversations. Like, for example, as I told you, when you are in a direct meeting, okay, will you be taking the notes or will you be listening to the person who is talking? You cannot concentrate on both at the same time. Maybe while taking notes, you'll miss some points, right? So this will help you in increase focus on concentration. Like instead of you, when an AI agent is taking all the notes, you can completely focus on the speaker, okay? Like complete thing, you can take it to your brain, and at the same time, the AI agent will take a notes which will be helpful for you in the future to just go and see back, okay? Like a reference, okay? And next one is streamline saving of time, okay? As you see in the screen, streamline saving of time. Here you can see automating meeting notes, okay? So if you add the meeting link or the Zoom link to the calendar, what it does, even if you forget, okay, you forget that there is a meeting happening, you just forget. But what will the AI agent? It is so brilliant, right? So this AI agent will automatically go to the meeting, collect all the notes and come back, okay? So here you need not go and instruct the AI agent, hey, go, there is a meeting, you just go collect the notes. You need not remind. When you set it to the auto on, okay, when you switch on the auto on mode, what happens from the calendar, it will pick up the meeting which is going to happen. It will go attend the meeting, collect all the notes and come back. Okay, so you may ask me how the AI agent is doing. This is the natural language processing, right? As I told you earlier, natural language processing, what happens? The speech is converted to text. So when this AI agent is going into a meeting, it listens to the speaker, okay? It tries to collect all the information which the speaker is speaking, okay? Like the speech is being converted into the text. Okay, so you may ask me, will it type or will I get the notes of each and every word which the speaker is speaking? Yes, absolutely. You will get the complete notes of the speaker. Even if the speaker says hey, you can still see the word hey in that notes, okay? And you may ask me, why do I need these words? I just need the summary alone. Yes, even for that there is an option. like summarize. It will summarize. It will not only collect the notes, it will also summarize the key points, which are the important points. It will collect all the points and give you as a summary. Okay, the next action, what has to be done, that will also be mentioned. And finally, who are the speakers who spoke? Everything will be mentioned by this AI agent. Okay, so that's what you can see. So real life user example, here you can see remote teams and professionals experiencing significant efficiency. Okay, so here you can see all the people are very much busy these days, right? So we are all doing multitasking at the same time. So at this time, what you can do, you can use the AI agent. Okay, you must use it effectively, but Maya will also explain you the pros and cons of that. Okay, here we are just teaching you how it can help you. Okay, so this is an AI agent who can help you in taking notes from the meeting. It can either be an online or it can be also a direct meeting. Okay, yes. Next one. Okay, so here now we are going to the hands-on. Okay, so are you all ready? Okay, so first I want all of you to go to the Google Play Store. Okay.
Yeah. Welcome, guys. Can you all take your phone? If you have joined the call from the phone, please go to Play Store. Yeah. So I'm opening my phone and open the Play Store. Can you all give thumbs up if you have taken your phone and opened the Play Store? Go to Play Store. Then in the Play Store, you just type Firefly. You people already know, right? How to install an app. So I'm just typing Firefly. Rajita, do you want to share the mobile screen and want to show you?
Yes, yes, I'll do that.
Okay, let me stop the sharing.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me just uninstall my Fireflies app and then I do it again so that it will be okay.
Okay. So people who are attending this call, I think you don't have Firefly app. You go to the Play Store and try to type Fireflies AI app. Yeah, we will show you. I want all of you to try this. It's a wonderful tool. It's a wonderful free tool.
Okay, let me know if you can see my screen.
Yes, can.
Okay.
Can you all give thumbs up? Whoever can see the Rajita's mobile screen, I can see it.
Okay. Okay. So after you go to the Play Store, just type Fireflies.
Firefly. Yes.
Fireflies AI app. Can you see here? Fireflies AI app. Okay. Hope you are following with me.
Okay, move on.
Okay, next you can see here, okay, this one, okay, Fireflies AI note taker. So you have to install this one, install.
Yes, excellent. I have installed at my site. Can you all try? I want all of you to install this Firefly app. Can you give thumbs up if you all install the Firefly app? It will show option called open. Yeah. Can you type it in
Open.
the chat also? Yeah.
Okay, open, continue with Google. So you have to continue with Google by signing in, okay?
Yeah.
So okay, I'm using my account. Okay. So here you can see some notification. Allow Fireflies to send you notifications. Please give allow. Okay. Okay. So here you can see. So once you give that, yes. So here, these are the notes which I have attended at the previous. Like yesterday, I had an AI meeting. So from there, I took these notes. Okay, now you can see here there is a plus symbol. Hope you can see the plus symbol. Just
Yeah.
click on
Okay.
the plus symbol.
Can we ask everyone to confirm whether they have installed the app and they have logged in using their Google account? Can you all type yes? It's a very simple method. Once you open the app, when it create a sign in, okay, just select your Google account. Can you all type yes if you have done so? I want more response. People in this call, please, everyone install the Firefly app. This is going to be very much helpful. So in real time, I am, going to join the call by using the Firefly AI, which means I'm not going to join the call. I will ask Firefly to join the meeting. Okay, we will take this Zoom meeting as an example. Even though all of you are in the meeting, I want your Firefly AI to join this call. Okay, with your name and take the notes. This is going to be a wonderful experience. Can we move to next step? If you all installed the app and logged in, okay. Rajita, can you show the plus symbol again? Where to see
Yeah.
the plus symbol for
Okay.
me?
So here
Yeah.
it's
Is my plus
the
symbol visible? Yeah.
right bottom. Okay, right side bottom, you can see a plus symbol. So
Yes.
just click on the plus symbol. So
Okay.
here you can see many options like record audio, add to live meeting, upload audio or video, and schedule meeting. So there are four options. First one, record audio. Record audio, it's nothing but like as I told you earlier, the direct meetings. Okay. If you have a direct meeting, you can just click on the record audio. So what it will do, it will automatically start recording the audio which it hears. Okay. And when it comes to add to live meeting, okay, add to live meeting. Now we are in a live meeting, right? So we are going to try this add to live meeting. So I click this and name your meeting. For the name your meeting, it is optional. You can give any name. Okay, so here I give AI basics. Okay, AI basics is the name I'm giving to this meeting. And here you can see the meeting link. Okay, meeting link. Okay, so you all got a Zoom link, right? You just need to copy that link and just paste it here. Okay, so one sec, let me just take the link. Maybe Maya, can you please post it in the chat so that I can take it from there?
Yes, sir. So let me copy the link and paste it in the chat. Done. People, you might have received this link via email or chat or the WhatsApp or the Facebook link. So again, I'm copying the link here. You can see. Can
Okay.
everyone view the link in the chat? Can you all give thumbs up until are you okay? Yeah. So I have given the name for my meeting where my AI going to join behalf of me. Then the meeting link, whatever I have pasted in the chat. Yeah, I have pasted. Can you all give thumbs up if you have done so? Type yes in the chat. It's a very simple one, right? You know how to install the app, then how to log into the app, then the plus symbol in the right side bottom, then you just give the name for the link, name for the meeting and the link. Okay. Can we move forward? Can you type yes in the chat? Yes. So I request all of you to try in the mobile. Okay. In the laptop, it may ask for some subscription if I'm not wrong. Okay. In the mobile, you try first. Later, you try in the laptop. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
Reza, move it.
Yeah. Okay. So once you paste, okay, after copying the Zoom link, okay, it's not only Zoom, it can be Slack, it can be Teams or anything. Okay. You just copy that and you just put here. Okay. You just paste in that meeting link. Okay. You can see a pin like thing, right? So there you must paste and just click on the invite Fireflies button. That's it.
Uh,
Now you can see
okay.
Fireflies assistant has been invited to the meeting. Okay. Now
Okay.
we'll come back. Just come back to the meeting here and you can look at the participants list. So here you can see fireflies.ai note taker. Yes, Shant is requesting to record this meeting. Okay, now I'm allowing, okay, allow recording. Yes.
Yes. I started
This is
seeing people, yeah, started
very
joining with
good.
the Firefly. Welcome,
Yes.
welcome, yay. AI of
Okay.
Naresh, Rachita AI, Firefly,
Yeah.
Sant, Vignesh, Kumar. Yeah, I want everyone to try.
Good, good response. I'm so happy that you all are trying here because this is an AI agent which will be helpful for you in the future also.
Yeah, I want everyone to try.
Okay, now if you see the participants list, you can see there are many fireflies. Okay, so they are just the Xerox copies of you. They are just taking notes instead of you. Okay, so here you need not have a book, you need not have a pen or anything. So what these AI assistants will do, they just listen to whatever I'm speaking, whatever Maya is speaking, whatever you speak, it is being recorded there. Okay,
Wonderful.
so if you are on mute, it won't be recorded. Only if you are on unmute, those things will be recorded there. Okay, with the name it will type. All right. Okay, so here we that's it. Okay, so this is the AI. Now you are happy that you have created an AI assistant. So finally we are going to see how this is going to work. Okay. Okay, now you can come back to the same Fireflies page. Please come back to the Fireflies page. Yes. So here you can you see my screen? Yes,
Yes.
AI basics live, open live notes, join meeting. Okay, so here you can see open live notes. So what it's doing, you can see live. It means it is recording everything which I'm speaking. So now I'm going to open the live notes. Okay, I clicked on the open live notes.
Is the open live notes visible for all? Can you all tell me? Type yes in the chat. For me, yeah, it appeared just now. Don't worry, it
Yes.
will come.
Yes. So the final output will come only when you stop the meeting. Okay. Now you cannot see because it is just processing, right? So you need to end the meeting over there. Only then you can see. Okay. Now I'm going to exit mine and I'll show you how. Okay. So for that, you need to go 1 minute. Yeah, so you need to go to the calendar live here. Okay, you can see here AI Basics live meeting. And next to that, you can see a red color stop button, right? Yes, you need to click that. If you want to end the meeting, just click there. Okay, now I'm ending the meeting. Okay, end meeting. Okay, successfully ended the meeting. Now I need to wait for a few minutes so that the AI assistant will combine everything, every notes, whatever I spoke. Okay, that will be there in the transcript and the other notes will be summarized. Now we are going to see that. For that, you will also get an email and my AI assistant name is Fred. Okay, Fred is the one who is going to give me all the details. So we just wait and see how it gives the notes.
Yeah. Can you show the notes?
1 minute. I'm just waiting for it to convert it into the text.
So I also end the live meeting from the AI.
So these are the meetings which you see. This was recorded in yesterday, okay, for the AI meeting which I joined. I couldn't take the notes, so AI assistant, it did that job for me. Now we'll wait.
Can you all follow? Can you all follow this procedures? It's going to be a wonderful experience where artificial intelligence is joining the meeting because of you. So in future, we will show you a lot of automation, a lot of new features of AI, what a human can do, what AI can do, equivalent to human. Okay, so we will explore. Okay, is the meeting notes came, Rajida?
Not yet. I'm just waiting for the Gmail to send me that thing. Because it has to collect everything, summarize, and split up, right? So it will take 5 minutes for it to give the details. So we just wait for that.
Okay, while we are waiting for the meeting notes or summary to be generated, is anyone in the call having any doubt? Can you post your queries here? If everything is clear, you are able to follow up to where we are now. Can you type yes in the chat? I'm able to follow. I'm typing yes. Can everyone type in the chat whether you are able to follow properly? If you're stuck somewhere, yeah, please post your questions in the chat. Will help you. We want all of you to come forward and try this feature. Great, great. I want more response. I want more response. It's a simple method of using AI. Okay. So AI is always not the chat GPT. Okay. We have a lot of tools. Cloud, Gemini, lot many tools are available. We are going to explore all the tools. Okay. If it is taking some time, you can show the old meeting summary, Rajida.
Yes, yes. Yeah, maybe I'll show the yesterday's one also here.
Yeah.
Okay, so here you can see this is the old task. Like yesterday, okay, so this is the one. So here you can see the notes. Okay, so you can see here, right? Okay, not this. 1 minute. Let me go to the next one. Okay. Okay, so this is the meeting. Can you hear? This is the audio. Okay, audio of the AI learning which I attended yesterday. This is the transcript. So here you can see whatever the person speaks, you can see it as a text.
Yeah. Move on.
Can you see here? This is a transcript. Okay. And you may ask me why I need all this. I just need the summary only. Okay. For that, you can see, you can click the summary here. So here you can see the notes. Okay. Now I'm pausing the video or sorry, the audio. So notes you can see AI learning program structure and target demographics. So it will combine all the things. It will clear, as I told you, data science, right? It will collect the data, it will clear the data, it will analyze the data and give you the output, right? The same way, here you can see it has collected all the data, cleared whatever is necessary, which is unnecessary, and given you only the things which you need. So in this summary, you can see the nodes, okay? So these are the nodes which is needed for me. And then you can see, at last, you can see here, the four primary monetization methods. Okay, and then all the things which is needed, you can get it as a combined one. The final one I'll show you. Okay, so here, outskill team. Okay, so action items. You can see here what I need to do, what the AI trainer asked me to do. Here you can see complete portfolio website homework before next session. The next action work, what I need to do as per the instruction of the AI trainer. So here you can see the details. So this is an action items that I need to follow up. Okay. Then outskill team. Here you can see what is the next step of action they are going to take. They are going to send me the roadmap. So these are the things. So does this help you or is there anything else? I think this would cover all your needs because you get the summarized notes, you get the action items, and what is the next step of thing to be done. Okay. Yeah, this is all. Hope this is helpful for you. Yes, over to you, Maya.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Rajida. Can we all give a thanks message to Rajida for teaching this wonderful session? Really, it is informative for me. How about you? I'm typing yes. Is the meeting useful for you? The training, whatever you attend. Can you type yes in the chat if the meeting is helpful for you? So even though we are teaching the basic technologies, for sure it will be very helpful, okay, to grow in the AI. In the future, really, you will remember us because we are teaching the AI technologies and basics, right? So in a real time, you are going to handle the AI. In real time, you are going to handle the robot. You need to talk to the robot in your construction company or electrical company. You need to interact with them. You need to know how to handle. For this, we are, placing a strong foundation for you. Definitely, this is going to be helpful for you. Can I get some more response? Can you all type yes in the chat? So with this, we have come to the end of the meeting. So we have planned today to explain the core concepts and practical example from one of the technology called natural language processing. Okay. So in future, we will explore more and more tools. Okay. Don't always stick with the ChatGPT. Okay. So there are lot many tools are available for different purpose. Okay. So in the future, we will explain all the tools usage so that you will get a real hands-on and move forward with the AI technology. Okay. So is there any questions? Anything you want to ask here?
Brother, can we get the slide, the PowerPoint one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, brother. In our
Yeah.
website, it will be available.
Um,
Okay.
okay. Okay.
We'll post in the website. Also, the YouTube link and the feedback form, everything will post in the website. You,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Thank
you
you.
follow up in the website. And can I request all of you to type your email ID in the chat? Maybe I'll quickly send this PPT to our email ID. Also, I request you to follow up our website also. Yeah. Can you type your email ID? Yes. Whoever want the PowerPoint slide, can you please type your email IDs? Maybe you can type your email ID to me. Okay. Send a private chat. So after this meeting, I will send an email with the PPT slides. Okay. Don't worry. In the website also it will be available. I'm going to post the recording in the YouTube. Also, we will give the link in the website. Okay. So please feel free to leave your comments. Also, I want all of you to subscribe, join our community. Okay, as a volunteer or student or leader. Okay. So we are trying our level best to help you. If you want to share your skills, you want to participate in our organization goal, yeah, please join with us. Let's join together and teach each other to know new technologies. Okay. Yeah. So maybe the upcoming meeting, right, for the next workshop session, I try to conduct on Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Okay, because many people might be working on Sunday also. They have their own personal work sometime. So in Wednesday we will try to recap the session, and I will add a few more practicals. Okay, so please don't miss our Wednesday meeting. Okay, so are you okay to close this call? Thank you all for joining this call. Have a wonderful day ahead and see you in the next meeting on Wednesday. Bye. See you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
See you. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. See you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.